Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of Spotify. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can sign out on Spotify desktop version. So if you want to sign out, it's basically so easy. You can just click on your profile, your Spotify profile name at the top. This one's right here. I click on that, and then you'll see there is a log out options in here, and to sign out just click on this option, and after that you'll be signed out automatically from the apps. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope if this tutorial will be helpful. So if you guys think that, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.